you gonna do, fiat dollar? Or CryptoBullGod and his crypto maniacs and the entire cryptocurrency market run wild on you?
Welcome in. I am the CryptoBullGod, and this is a quick take on Altseason. You can find me on Twitter, Tradingview, YouTube, and Instagram at CryptoBullGod. Just a quick disclosure that none of what I'm sharing is financial advice. I'm simply looking to educate and to help others. So with that in mind, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, hitting the bell icon to help me out as a content creator. So let's get into it. There are really four main things we're going to focus on today to tell us when alt season is coming around the corner and altcoins are going to start really taking off. The first chart we want to take a look at is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Perhaps you're accustomed to charting price data. In this case, we are charting percentages. Here, what is reflected in the chart on this 10-day Bitcoin dominance view is the percentage of the total market capitalization that Bitcoin makes up. So in this case, what we're saying is Bitcoin is making up roughly 43% of the market cap right now in the entire market. If Bitcoin's making up 43%, all of the altcoins, which are every other token besides Bitcoin, are making up 57% of the market there, okay? So what we want to see here is we want to see for alt season to take off, we want to see the Bitcoin dominance drop, because if the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, that means the altcoin dominance is increasing. It's like a seesaw, okay? Now, what is shown here? There are really two price patterns that I want to speak to here. This is really a flagpole and a flag pennant here, okay? This is a bear pole, okay? Bear pennant. This is a bearish price pattern, and this is also, if we zoom in here, a descending triangle. We have lower highs and a floor here. This bearish price pattern, okay, and price action is very bullish for alt season and for altcoins, because what this is statistically lending itself to is a higher likelihood that we will drop down in Bitcoin dominance, shooting up altcoin dominance, okay? And the technical target is somewhere in the 21 to 22% range. Now, it is important to point out that just because Bitcoin dominance is dropping, that does not mean that the Bitcoin USD price is decreasing. What it means is that the rate of appreciation on average for all the altcoins is higher than Bitcoin. So for example, if Bitcoin on average every day is going up 5%, altcoins may be going up 15%, right? There's a 10% gap there. So that 10% gap created by altcoins will lead to dominance falling and altcoin dominance increasing. This is chart number one. Chart number two is the king altcoin. When Ethereum starts to take off, this is a weekly view on Ethereum. We looked at this last week. As Ethereum begins to take off, that's going to be the driver behind all the other altcoins within the market, okay? You can still see we have this ascending line of support that has held as I anticipated, and we have two key areas of resistance here. The other thing I'd like to point out on this weekly RSI, the 42 level that I spoke to, was recaptured, which is great to see. Now what we want to do is we want to negate these lower highs I spoke to, right? We want higher strength to come within the price action, which would be shown in the RSI, creating higher highs. This is chart number two. Chart number three is the Eth Btc Pairing. Okay, what we're seeing here, this is a 3-week view to condensed price action. We have this rounding bottom, and then we have back-tested support here, okay? Prior resistance, back-tested as support, create a higher high, higher low, and I'm expecting higher upside. So this price relativity chart, and any price relativity chart for any altcoin you look at, so for example, we could go to 1 BTC, and you can see the relativity values increasing dramatically in value. Why this is really good to see for altcoins is because what it is essentially saying is your said altcoin, in this case we're looking at 1 Harmony, your said altcoin price appreciation is outpacing Bitcoin. That's all that it's saying. And the reason that this Eth Btc pairing is so important is, again, taking us back to this ETH USD chart. It is the king altcoin. When Ethereum starts to take off and really gobble up market capitalization, it's going to take away market dominance from Bitcoin, and it will result in a lot of money starting to bleed into many other altcoins as well. So this is the third thing you want to look for. And the last thing is a chart I've already spoken to in the past. This is the total 2. Okay, the total 2, if you've been here, you know this is the market capitalization for the entire cryptocurrency market, excluding Bitcoin. So if this is increasing in value, it's telling you that all the altcoins in total, are increasing in value. What do we have here that I've spoken to? Okay, I show this on Twitter. Twitter. I've shown this on YouTube. We have higher highs and higher lows. We just want to see this continue. All that's been happening, and it doesn't look like a lot of price data, but in these past several weeks, because this is a weekly view, we've had price consolidation. Patience, my friends. So what we want to do is come up, test this $1.7 trillion market capitalization for all altcoins, and eventually break above it and start creating new all-time highs. So these are the 4 main things that you want to take a look at. All right? So I hope you appreciated the content. Like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and a little bell icon. And as always, spread awareness and carry the education forward.